Okay, come to the last questions, 6 of 6. So that's what the last one I'm going to solve today. So let's read the problem together. Construct a zigzag tree from an array alternate right and left childs starting from the right. Okay, for the example, we have input of number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to start root with, we're going to grab the first element in the arrays. So it's gonna be number 1, and then we check to the right. So in this case, we start from the right, right? So the next one of the node, it should be number 2. So number 2 will be to the right, and then number 3 will be left of the number 2, and then 4 and 5, so that it can alternate the root of 3, so zigzags from the array. So what I'm going to do here, we need to check if our array input, that length is 0. We want to just return no, we don't want to return anything. And then I'm going to create a root. We're gonna set root of node. It's gonna set to new tree, and we're going to grab the first element of the arrays as I say. So we will say like array at 0. So we can grab number 1, and then we're going to have declare a variable is called current node. We're gonna set to root. Okay, and then I'm going to have like a sum of value is a boolean to keep track is there are the right node. So I'm gonna say is right child. Okay, so first time I'm gonna set to true because we want to start from the right child, right? So and then I'm going to iterate the arrays, but we're going to start from the index 1 because we already grabbed the first element, right? So let I is set to 1 and I less than array that length, increment I by 1, and then what we're going to do here, we're going to have to create a new node. We're gonna set to the new tree, and then we grab the array and I which means the current element to the new tree. So we have our new node. We're gonna be iterate through the arrays, and then I'm going to check if is the right child, which first time we set to be true. So if the right child, we're going to set the right node. It means current dot right to new node. Okay, and then else if not, we're going to set curl dot right or dot left. Then we can turn to the left with new node. Okay, and then after we have to reassign is right child to be the opposite. I'm gonna use a bank, right? It's gonna be to be 4, and then after then we gonna like switch. We're not going to reassign is right child to 4, but we want to reassign to the opposite each time we iterate through the array. So and then we're going to keep assign the current node with gonna be new node. Okay, that is our algorithm. It's gonna be here, and then at the end of the function we want to return root which already reassign zigzags from the value from the array. So let's run to see code if that's work. It should work though. Okay, simple test pass. Okay, so I'm going to click submit, and then this is my last one, and then see how it works. Okay, review my grade. Okay, I'm passing every questions during 2 hours. Which if I want to pass the test, I need to pass in 45 minutes. But I spend like 1 hour and 10 minutes for these questions. It means 1 hour 70 I mean 1 hour and 10 minutes. So I'm not gonna pass the test, but like as much as I spend time to understand and each line of code and then working on my communication, so that's what I want. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.